Hello, welcome everyone in our channel Banking Preparation. This video is related with the most important MCQs of banking, and if you are new in our channel and if you like to see the previous part of banking related MCQs, the link is given in the description box below. So this video is very much helpful for the banking preparation to crack the first paper. So now let's start the video. In the 13th South Asian Game, Nepal won the most gold medals from which sports? Options are swimming, football, taekwondo and kabaddi. The correct answer is option C, taekwondo. The term computer is derived from options are Latin, German, French and Arabic. The correct answer is option A, Latin. Which country emits the most greenhouse gases in the world? Options are UK, China, India and USA. The correct answer is option B, China. In which country is the UN University located? USA, Egypt, Japan and India. The correct answer is option C, Japan. When was the state visit of President Vidya Devi Bhandari to Bangladesh? Chaitra 1 and 2, 2077. Chaitra 5 and 6, 2077. Chaitra 9 and 10, 2077. And Chaitra 11 and 13, 2077. The correct answer is option C, Chaitra 9 and 10, 2077. Who is the author of the book Maize Farming? Nur Bahadur Saud, Subba Krishnalal Adhikari, Somnath Sidyal, Motiram Bhatta. The correct answer is option B, Subba Krishnalal Adhikari. Which of the following is used for serial access storage only? Options are RAM, magnetic tape, magnetic disk, core memory. The correct answer is option B, magnetic tape. Who signed the 1950 treaty between Nepal and India on behalf of Nepal? Options are Mahavir Samser, Suvarna Samser, Chandrasekhar Upadhyay and Mohan Samser. The correct answer is option D, Mohan Samser. The first SAARC nation to provide its people with electronic passport is options are Nepal, India, Maldives and Sri Lanka. The correct answer is option C, Maldives. Which company is the biggest player in the microprocessor industry? Options are Motorola, IBM, Intel and AMD. The correct answer is option C, Intel. Which is not a special program in MS Office? Options are Office Art, Clip Art, Word Art and Point Art. The correct answer is option D, Point Art. Where is the Ganga Jamuna waterfall? Options are Palpa, Doti, Dhading and Udaipur. The correct answer is option C, Dhading. Which of the following is not the negotiable instrument? Options are check, bank draft, pay order and bill of exchange. The correct answer is option C, pay order. Increase in liability and decrease in assets indicates. Options are increase in sources of fund, decrease in sources of fund, increase in profit and decrease in profit. The correct answer is option A, increase in sources of fund. The balance sheet shows options are the financial performance and the financial position of the business, the financial performance of the business, the financial position of the business and the cash flow of the business. The correct answer is option C, the financial position of the business. The actual machinery, wires, transistors and circuits in a computer is called. Options are machinery, hardware, software and flashware. The correct answer is option B, hardware. When did Nepal get membership of WTO? 2004 April 22, 2004 April 23, 2003 April 23 and 2004 April 24. The correct answer is option B, 2004 April 23. Who is the king to build the Krishna temple in Patan? Options are Pratap Malla, Siddhi Narasimha Malla, Bhupatindra Malla and Lakshmi Narasimha Malla. The correct answer is option B, Siddhi Narasimha Malla. Depreciation is provided on. Options are fixed assets, outward changes, current assets and intangible assets. The correct answer is option A, fixed assets. The depreciation expenses is options are cash expenses, non-cash expenses, long-term cash expenses, and short-term cash expenses. The correct answer is option B, non-cash expenses. Fiscal policy means options are policy relating to money and banking in a country, policy relating to non-banking financial institutions, policy relating to government spending, taxation and borrowing, policy relating to financial matters of international trade. The correct answer is option C. Policy relating to government spending, taxation and borrowing is known as fiscal policy. Current liabilities are obligations that need to be satisfied. Options are within 1 year, within 2 years, on demand, and within 3 years. The correct answer is option A, within 1 year. In Nepal, famous district of sugar industry is options are Morang, Parsa, Dhanusa, and Nawalparasi. The correct answer is option D, Nawalparasi. In foreign trade, Nepal is continuously facing options are balance of trade surplus, trade balance, balance of trade deficit, and none of the above. The correct answer is option C, balance of trade deficit. Which of the following is known as plastic money? Options are bearer checks, credit card, demand drafts, and gift check. The correct answer is option B, credit card. Function key, which is used for checking spelling and grammar in computer word processing, is known as F1, F2, F7, and F12. The correct answer is option C, F7. In a computer, tables are used to display. Options are numeric, text, graphics, and all of these. The correct answer is option D, all of these. Which of the following sued Facebook for stealing its messaging idea recently? Options are BlackBerry, Apple, Microsoft, and Samsung. The correct answer is option A, BlackBerry. One nibble is equivalent to how many beads? Options are 2, 4, 8, and 10. The correct answer is option B, 4. Universally accepted color for mountain is options are gray, snow white, dark green, and brown. The correct answer is option D, brown. Nepal Banking Offence and Punishment Act was enacted in options are 2058 Bikram Sambat, 2060, 2064, and 2069. The correct answer is option C, 2064 Bikram Sambat. What is the currency of Malaysia called? Options are ringgit, dinar, kroner, and dollar. The correct answer is option A, ringgit. What does OMO means? Options are open market operation, open price organization, open price operation, and only market operation. The correct answer is option A, open market operation. Foreign aid providers today are called donors, aid givers, development partners, and all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. When did the first person die of corona infection in Nepal? Options are 2077 Jet 1, 2077 Jet 2, 2077 Asar 6, 2077 Strawan 3. The correct answer is option A, 2077 Jet 1. Where is the first water ATM operated in Nepal? Options are Kathmandu Metropolitan Campus, Nepalganj Sub-Metropolitan Campus, Lalitpur Metropolitan Complex, and Ghorahi Sub-Metropolitan Complex. The correct answer is option C, Lalitpur Metropolitan Complex. According to the Public Global Terrorism Index 2020 by the Institute for Economics and Peace, ranking of Nepal is in options are 20th, 27th, 30th, and 35th. The correct answer is option B, 27th. Which is the most invested foreign institute in Nepal? Options are European Union, Asian Development Bank, World Bank, and SAARC. The correct answer is option C, World Bank. Which one of the following is not a computer language? Options are MS Excel, Basic, COBOL, and C++. The correct answer is option A, MS Excel. MS Excel is not a computer language. Chief component of first generation computer was options are transistors, vacuum tubes and valves, integrated circuits, and none of the above. The correct answer is option B, vacuum tubes and valves. Where is the headquarters of BRICS Bank situated? Options are Brazil, China, India, and Russia. The correct answer is option B, China. Which is the first bank to issue multi-currency card in Nepal? Options are Nabil Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, Himalayan Bank and Century Commercial Bank. The correct answer is option D, Century Commercial Bank. NRB formulate monetary policy on an options are annual basis, half-yearly basis, quarterly basis and monthly basis. The correct answer is option A, annual basis. Keynes give which of the following as a motive for people holding money? Options are transactions demand, speculative demand and precautionary demand, and all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. The concept of globalization, liberalization and privatization begin from the decades of options are 1950 AD, 1960 AD, 1970 AD and 1980 AD. The correct answer is option A, 1950 AD. The country producing highest amount of tin in the world is options are Italy, Thailand, South Korea and Malaysia. The correct answer is option C, South Korea. What is the full form VTM used in testing COVID-19? Options are viral transport medium, value transfer machine, viral tape machine and value transport medium. The correct answer is option A, viral transport medium. Which international organization facilitates globalization? Options are UNO, UNICEF, WTO and ILO. The correct answer is option C, WTO. Upper Tamakosi hydropower project is located at options are Nuwakot, Gulmi, Dolakha and Ramechhap. The correct answer is option C, Dolakha. Currency with the public is known as options are M1, M2, M3 and M4. The correct answer is option A, M1. What is the standard of current ratio? 1:1, 2:1, 3:1 and 4:1. The correct answer is option B, 2:1. The vertical expansion of job is options are job enlargement, job enrichment, job rotation and job multiplication. The correct answer is option B, job enrichment. What is CRR? Options are current ratio rate, common review report, cash reserve ratio and credit rating record. The correct answer is option C, cash reserve ratio. Thank you for watching us this much for today's video. In next video, we will come up with the more information regarding the banking examinations. Don't forget to like this video, and if you are new in our channel, please subscribe our channel, and for more, please visit our channel. Thank you.